Hi, y'all. It's Susan Stewart with Perfectly Placed. I'm a professional organizer and owner of Perfectly Placed. And today is day 8 of spicing up the dinner hour with your family during quarantine. So today's idea is something that any age can do, and it is to play the game Would You Rather. This was a game that came out with some cards many years ago, and it basically is, would you rather be a rabbit or a lion or something like that? And if you're thinking this is kind of hard to think of things, Susan, you can Google would you rather questions, and there are all kinds of resources you can print out and use those. Or if you've got bored kids at home, you can ask them to come up with the questions and use those. So have fun and please respond. We'd love to hear your stories or your ideas of how you're making dinner interesting at your house. And we'll see you tomorrow.